Hello everyone, welcome back. Thanks for joining me. Let's dive into the issue. After a 20-month delay, Turkey has finally said yes to Sweden joining NATO, marking a significant step toward expanding the Western military alliance. Then why did it take so long for Turkey to say yes? The move comes after Turkey initially raised objections to Sweden and Finland's application in 2022, citing concerns about their alleged support for groups deemed as terrorists. Well, Sweden promised to be tough on a group Turkey didn't like, called the Kurdistan's Workers' Party. In response, Sweden introduced an anti-terrorism bill and, along with other NATO members, relaxed arms export policies to Turkey. In return, Turkey ratified Sweden joining NATO. What about this F-16 fighter jet thing? Turkey's leader President Erdogan said Turkey will only let Sweden join if the US agrees to sell F-16 fighter jets. So there's a link between Sweden joining NATO and Turkey getting these fighter jets. Then what about Hungary? Why haven't they said yes to Sweden joining? Hungary, known for its friendly relations with Russia, is still thinking about it. They are not sure because they think Sweden has been acting unfriendly. But some people believe Hungary might change its mind. When countries work together in groups like NATO, it helps them stay safe. So if Sweden joins NATO, it's like more friends helping each other out, especially in a region near Russia. It's a big deal. As Sweden awaits Hungary's decision, whose NATO membership bid is seen as enhancing alliance defenses in the Baltic Sea region facing Russia. The NATO Secretary General Jens Stoltenberg is happy that Turkey ratified and urged Hungary to complete its national ratification promptly. The US is also happy and they are talking about it with Turkey and Sweden. Then what happens next? Well, now Sweden is waiting for Hungary to decide. If Hungary says yes, then Sweden officially becomes a member of NATO. It's like waiting to see if you get accepted into your club. And thank you. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel.